In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple currencies in Shopify. If you sell to customers in different countries, offering prices in their local currency can boost trust and conversions. Shopify handles this through markets, which group regions so you can tailor pricing in currency. Start by opening Shopify.com in your browser and signing into your store's admin. From the admin sidebar, go to Markets. This is your control center for international selling. Here you'll see your primary market and any additional ones you've created. To add support for another currency, choose Create Market. A market is simply a collection of countries or regions that share the same buying experience. Give the new market a clear name you'll recognize later, like Europe, United Kingdom, or Asia Pacific. The name is internal, so choose something that makes sense to your team. Next, add a condition. Conditions define which shoppers belong to this market. Typically, you'll select one or more countries or regions. For example, you might include Canada in one market and the European Union in another. This matters because the market a customer falls into determines the currency they see on product pages and at checkout. Pick regions that align with the currency you plan to offer. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Saving creates the market and applies your conditions. From now on, customers who match those regions will be routed into this market and will see prices in the currency associated with it based on your payments configuration. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the option to manage currencies, make sure your payments provider supports multiple currencies. Keep your market names and conditions organized so it's easy to scale. After creating the market, preview your storefront to confirm prices display as expected. Shipping rates, duties, and taxes can vary by market, so review those separately to keep checkout consistent. That's it. You've created a new market, set the right conditions, and saved your changes, unlocking multiple currencies in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and happy selling worldwide.